Why doesn't my makeup look like any of the makeup artist's makeup? I made a lot of mistakes, but I was doing it to look like other people. I wasn't doing it to be creative or to enhance my natural features. Let me in now!
Hi to Fluffy.
It is currently 5:15. I'm going to take off my makeup. I'm going to take the lashes off first. The lashes I use, I don't know if any of you wear lashes, but if you know just the pain of wearing lashes, you know once you get them off, you feel like a new person. Look how much lashes change the makeup look. Like, lashes, no lashes. That's crazy. I used to not wear lashes and I was like, why doesn't my makeup look like any of the makeup artist's makeup? It's because I wasn't wearing lashes. I did use certain mascaras, but I don't like mascaras because I rub my eye a lot. Like, I am the type of person to constantly just be doing this or just rubbing my eyes. And if you wear mascara, that is not gonna work. And waterproof mascara is just too much effort to take off. I don't have the energy to do such. I use the Garnier micellar water just because I don't like makeup wipes. They're too harsh. And most of the time it takes like 5 of them to get all of my makeup off. With this, it takes 2 cotton pads and a little bit of product. And I just hold this on my eye for a few. I'm very thorough about taking off my makeup just because I've gotten so many freaking eye infections from not cleaning my eyes correctly and not cleaning my makeup off correctly. So I have learned to really get in there and take it off. That's the eye. I think it's a privilege to wear makeup. I remember Jessica Voot said like something like, the amount we put like how many hours into putting on our makeup, like we spend how many hours doing that. So you should have a designated time after you're done with your makeup to take it off, because it's so important that we take care of our skin. Like, I probably use more skincare products than I do makeup products, just because having good skin, obviously there are certain cases where it's like you can't control it, but like working on the base of your skin is more important than just like caking makeup on your face. I started doing makeup when I was pretty young. A lot of my life was spent online, so I, you know, looked up to a lot of people and a lot of celebrities and was like, oh, I want to do makeup like them. I would even steal my mom's makeup as a kid and she would not have it. I started wearing makeup really young. Like, I think I started wearing makeup at like age 10, which thinking about that now is crazy. Like, also thinking about like being 10 is just insane to me as well. And I really had to take in the whole less is more thing for makeup, because obviously when you first get into makeup you're like, I want eyeliner and foundation and concealer and yada 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 to like really get the full experience, but it ended up looking so cakey. I don't even think I have photos. If I do, I will put them on screen, but my makeup would look so cakey and so fake, and it wasn't doing what it was supposed to. Makeup is supposed to accentuate your natural features, not, you know, make you look completely different or make you look insane. Like, yeah, your makeup is to enhance your natural features or to be creative and stuff like that. But I was doing it to look like other people. I wasn't doing it to be creative or to enhance my natural features, and so it ended up looking really wrong on me. Now I've gotten to a point in makeup where I have a healthy relationship with it, and like, you know, when I'm doing my makeup, I'm not doing it to look like 5 other people. I'm doing my makeup to enhance my natural features. Now that I'm done with the micellar water, I'm actually going to use a cleansing balm, and then I'm going to use a foaming cleanser. This little headband thingy to keep the oil from getting in my hair. This is the cleansing oil I use. It's the Clean It Zero. I love this cleansing balm. I have cleansing oils, but cleansing oils make my acne act up, which is really weird, but cleansing balm doesn't. And cleansing oil, what it does essentially is it gets deeper into your pores and it really melts off any remaining makeup or residue, so that way you can really get all of it out instead of just the surface cleaner, which is what the micellar water does, because the oils break down any remaining product. And you know, making skincare and making makeup removal a calming practice and making it, you know, something to enjoy rather than just like something you have to do is really nice. Because at the end of the day, when I come home and I have all my makeup on, I am ready to take off my makeup. I'm ready to get it off. I think I've only slept in my makeup a few times and I've completely regretted it, because not only is my pillowcases like, not only are they disgusting, but you know, my skin regrets it. Now I'm gonna go wash this off really quick and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna be using a foaming cleanser. I use the Innisfree green tea foaming cleanser, and I just really get into my skin. And you should be washing your face for more than a minute. You should not just be quickly like doing this and then getting off. You need to rub in your cleanser, your cleansing balm, whatever, to make sure it's working. Let me in now. This is the after product of washing my face. Like I said, I do wash it very thoroughly. Not everybody has to be as quote-unquote thorough as me. A gentle cleanser is completely fine. And also, if you're younger, you don't want to be too harsh on your skin. You want to be kinder to your skin and just, you know, work as you go. It's not necessary to have a 30-step skincare routine. I promise you that. 5 normal products will get you through for a long time. So it is nearing the end of the week and I've worn makeup multiple days. I'm going to use a quote-unquote harsher mask so that I can get out a lot of the stuff in my skin. Clay masks, I only use clay masks like once a week. This one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glowy Hyaluronic Clay Pore Facial. I used to use a bunch of random products and I was not educated on what to do with my skin, and so I made a lot of mistakes and used certain things that were not meant for my skin, and I faced the consequences, and now I'm trying to fix those consequences. But I will say, by me, you know, trying stuff I wasn't supposed to be trying skincare wise as a kid, it did lead me to have better information about skincare that I do now. So now we are going to leave this for about 5 minutes and I will see you then. It has been 5 minutes. I'm already starting to take off the mask. You can kind of tell that it's done its work. We have a visitor. Say hi to Fluffy. Hello. You will notice a theme of the products that I'm using. I'm gonna use a toner. I like this toner because it's very light and, you know, it does the job for giving me that glowy skin that I want. Next, I use the Glow Recipe niaciamide drops. This stuff is top tier. I don't care what anybody says, this is my go-to product. I've always loved this product. It is essential for my skin. It really helps. I'm telling you, my skin was doing really bad a few weeks ago and I used some of this stuff and immediately my skin started clearing up. I swear by this product. Look at that glow. And then the sealant that I use, the ending product that I use for my skin is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. This is also really good. I don't know what Glow Recipe was on with this line, but they did what they had to do and they ate with it. Again, I'm not sponsored. Would love to be though, but I'm not sponsored. This is simply just a suggestion from somebody who's been using it for a hot minute. And then to finish it all up, I'm going to use a little bit of a lip mask. And that is it for my skincare. Alright loves, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for your recent support. It honestly means the world to me. I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. So thank you so much for watching and just supporting me. Alright, I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.